Hi guys, we're going to Costco now to get our grocery for the month of December. Let's go! We're back from Costco for our monthly December haul, and I just want to show you some of the few items that we got. Starting off with this shrimps, it's 31 to 40 pieces and it's priced at $15.99. So you can use this in many ways. Like I'm gonna mainly use this for stir fry and sometimes shrimp fritters. Next one, we have wild scallops. This is a good deal. It's big. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just gonna grill it in butter with salt and pepper, and then together with some vegetables. This is priced at $19.89. We also got this wild Atlantic haddock. This is $14.99. So we got two. This is really good. This is the second time we're gonna try it. I just bake it in the oven and then have some vegetables with it. Next is our frozen, boneless, skinless, individually packed chicken breast. It's from Kirkland, so this is perfect for your slow cooker. Just add barbecue sauce or ranch dressing to it and then just shred it after. It's so soft and you can put it in your tortilla. So next are chicken thighs. They're priced at $25.95. I just divide them equally to make different dishes out of it. And then last but not least, for our meats and fish and seafood are ground pork. They are priced at $11.63, and same with this. I'm gonna divide them equally and make different dishes out of it. I'm also gonna make embutido. It's a Filipino dish, specially made for Christmas. So there you go, guys. Okay, next we have our fruits and vegetable section, starting with our clementines. They are priced at $6.49. There's a lot. Next one is Asian pear. This is the main ingredient for bulgogi, but this is good for snacking as well. I just peel the skin and then just eat it as is, and it's priced at $8.99. Next is the cantaloupe, and look how big it is. It's priced at $4.99. We also have raspberries and the bananas, and we also have avocados, and they're priced at $7.99 for 6 pieces. Next is our mushrooms. They're $4.59. This is perfect for stir fry. We also have a bunch of tomatoes, and they're priced at $6.99. We also got some French beans, and this is perfect for roasting. I just add bacon and caramelized onion. We also have broccoli, and this is a power blend that is perfect for your smoothie, and it's organic. It consists of kale and spinach, and last but not least, we have our Brussels sprouts. Next, we have a red pepper and cheese spread. This is a new item that we got from Costco. This is perfect for your baguette, or if you have some crackers, this should be good. We also have maple syrup, since we ran out of maple syrup, and that is priced at $13.99. Next is our Thai peanut coconut sauce, and they are priced at $9.49. I heard from someone at Costco that this is good for chicken. So you marinate your chicken for about an hour and then bake it, and then just make some rice and vegetable. Next, you always see this is our pasta sauce. It's Prego, and it's $7.49. I also have a big tub of mayonnaise for my macaroni salad that I'll be doing for Christmas. And this is a good deal from Costco. It's the Kirkland olive oil. It's 3 liters, and it's priced only at $16.99. For our snack section, we have this new product that we found. It's Danvita breadstick. It's cheese, tomato, basil, olive, and garlic, and herb de Provence. This is perfect for the vegetable spread that we got, and it's priced at $6.99. Organic pumpkin seeds. It's roasted and salted, and this is good for snacking, and this is also a great addition to the banana bread that you'll be making. I have a video here in my channel on how to make it if you're interested. Next, we also have this almond tamari flavor, and it is priced at $14.99. We also have some cereals or granola. It's pumpkin seed and flax flavor. And then we also got, for the second time, this Kirkland brand soft and chewy granola bar. Organic roasted seaweeds. This is the second time we're buying it. It's $11.99. This is good for snacking. And one time I made pork ramen, so I added this, and it's a great addition. And last but not least, for our snacks, we have this True to Nature snack bars. They have cashew, chocolate cashew, caramel almond, and maple walnut. Dubliner cheese. It's priced at $9.99. We also have fresh mozzarella. It's priced at $7.89. It's perfect for caprese salad with basil, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and olive oil. We also have 3 bricks of cream cheese. They're priced at $6.99. We also have extra large eggs. They are 2.5 dozen, and they're $7.29. And last are the silk almond milk. They're priced at $9.89. We have this cooked seasoned roast beef. I always get this because it has natural ingredients. It consists only of beef, and there's no preservatives or no nitrates. That's why it's perfect for your kids' school lunches. We also have our organic quinoa. It's priced at $11.99. This is a good replacement for your white rice or any rice. It's a grain and it's healthy for you. We have buttermilk pancake. It is priced at $7.99 for that big one. We tried a sample of this Chipotle chicken mini tacos at Costco today. They paired it with guacamole and it's delicious, and you can either bake it or put it in the microwave. It is priced at $13.99. We also have Canadian light rye bread. It's priced at $6.59 and it's perfect with your roast beef, and you can add either mayonnaise or mustard. And last but not least, we have this sprouted power wheat bread with sesame and sunflower seeds, and they're priced at $6.49. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching our grocery haul this December from Costco. Thank you for watching. Bye!